Shwmae pawb! It's a Tuesday, but it's not any regular Tuesday. There's 100 days to go until the Senedd election. There's 100 days to go until we choose new leadership for Wales, and 100 days until we could potentially change the political landscape of Wales historically. 100 days to go until we can stop hate and division in its tracks and secure a government that finally stands up for Wales. Plaid Cymru are currently in the lead in the most recent polls to win the most seats in Wales, and that gap between Plaid Cymru and Reform is widening. And while we can celebrate that, now is not the time to be complacent. In fact, now is the perfect time to choose to get involved. And although Plaid Cymru are on course to win the most seats in Wales, I reckon we could do more. And 100 days is not a lot of time. So if we want to secure a government that truly gives Wales the voice it deserves, now is the time. Now is the time to volunteer, to post your social media videos, to talk to your family members, to talk to your friends. Ask them outright, do you want a government that stands up for Wales, that stands up for Welsh communities? Or do you want a government that would see Wales dragged backwards? If you want to volunteer, the link is here. If you want to donate to the Senedd election campaign, the link is here. And if you would like to join the party as a member, the link is here. Next 100 days is crucial. So get involved by contacting your local groups, canvass, leaflet, knock doors. And if you're not capable of doing those things for whatever reason, every little conversation, every little social media post, everything helps. Because at this point, it really is a two-horse race, and the choice is between Plaid Cymru and Rhys Iorwerth as our next First Minister, someone who would stand up for Wales and give Wales a voice, or Reform. And, well, I don't even know if they know yet. With 100 days left until May the 7th, let's not slow down now. Let's vote in a Welsh party for Welsh people, because the only polls that really count are the election results. And I will see you on May 7th voting for Plaid Cymru.